If you've been struggling with weak, brittle nails, dry skin, or discomfort in your feet, you know how frustrating it can be. It's not just about looks. Your nail and foot health impact your confidence and comfort daily. Cracked, discolored nails and irritated skin can be embarrassing, even painful. And let's be honest, finding a real solution that actually works feels impossible. Well, let me introduce you APPANAIL, a revolutionary product that promises to change that. It claims to strengthen nails, improve foot health, and restore your confidence. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. Before we dive in, a quick warning. APPANAIL is only sold on the official website, so be careful with fake products. I'll leave the official link in the description so you can check it out safely. Now let's talk about what makes APPANAIL special. Unlike creams or polishes that only work on the surface, this is a nutritional supplement designed to work from the inside out. It provides essential vitamins, minerals, and herbal extracts that support stronger nails, healthier skin, and better foot comfort, all without any complicated routines. One of the biggest reasons APPANAIL works is its powerful formula packed with natural ingredients. Let's take a look at some key ones. Guggul resin and turmeric. These help fight inflammation and improve blood circulation, which is crucial for nail growth and foot health. Vitamin C, essential for collagen production, keeping nails strong and preventing breakage. Cinnamon bark and olive leaf extract, known for their antibacterial and antifungal properties, protecting your nails and skin from infections. Berberine and juniper berry. These detoxify the body and keep your feet feeling fresh and healthy. Vitamin D and magnesium promote stronger nail growth and prevent brittleness. Now, why should you consider APPANAIL? First, if you're tired of weak, fragile nails that constantly break, this formula helps build stronger, healthier nails over time. If you suffer from dry, cracked skin on your feet, the nourishing ingredients deeply hydrate and restore your skin's health. And if you're someone who's always hiding their feet because of nail discoloration or brittleness, APPANAIL works to bring back the natural beauty of your nails. Unlike quick fixes that only provide temporary relief, APPANAIL supports long-term nail and foot health. Many users start seeing visible improvements within a few weeks, and the results just keep getting better with consistent use. So if you're serious about improving your nails and foot health, don't wait. Click the official link in the description to grab your bottle while supplies last. Remember, the real APPANAIL is only sold on the official website, so be careful with imitations. Taking care of your nails and feet isn't just about beauty. It's about feeling comfortable, confident, and healthy. So why settle for weak, damaged nails when you can give them the care they deserve? Try APPANAIL and step into a stronger, healthier, and more confident version of yourself.